Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, developing soft skills and personality, week third, assignment third. So the first question is, Jisnu wants to stop snacking on junk food at night. He realizes it has become a comforting ritual tied to boredom. Which of the following are productive first steps toward breaking this bad habit? So these are the options, and the answer of our first question is A and B. Now the second question is, Anthony is a social media influencer who portrays himself as a peace lover and makes video about non-violence. In reality, he is abusive. Karthik, a fan of Anthony, gets the opportunity to meet him at a restaurant but is surprised by how rude Anthony treats the staff. Karthik grasps the idea that having a different private personality is acceptable as long as Anthony does not perpetuate these traits and habits publicly. Karthik eventually may develop this habit himself, and this shows the potential of social media in creating a facade. What are the messages that one can imbibe from this situation? So these are the options, and the answer of our second question is A, B, C, D, and F. Now the third question is, Vivek start his day checking work email while still in bed, which often sets off a reactive, stressful tone for the rest of the day. He wants to reclaim his morning. Which principle of healthy habit formation can support this change? So these are the options, and the answer of our third question is A, B, and F. Now, the fourth question is, Sushant recently went through a difficult breakup with his girlfriend of 3 years. He constantly finds himself thinking about their past relationship and the plans they had made together, and so on. So, the answer of our fourth question is C, D, and E. Now, the fifth question is, Alicia and Sai Kirti are best friends. They spend a lot of time together and have a powerful influence over each other. Choose the sustainable methods through which they can contribute productively to each other's habit formation. So these are the options, and the answer of our fifth question is A, C, E, F. Now the sixth question is, how can one stop indulging in a bad habit to overcome emotional frustration? So these are the options, and the answer of our sixth question is A and B. Now the seventh question is, Trisha wants to form a journaling habit, but she only remember once a week and ends up writing inconsistently. What can she do to increase her chances of making this a daily routine? So these are the options, and the answer of our seventh question is A and C. Now the eighth question is, identify the reasons why choosing to form good habit is a habit. So these are the options, and the answer of our eighth question is A, C, and E. Now the ninth question is, Rahul is working on a project and suddenly received an urgent phone call requiring immediate attention. He has to leave the project incomplete and attend the call. Even while attending the call, he feels uneasy and disturbed. Identify all the explanations that do not consider the Javernick effect in accounting for Rahul's experience. So these are the options, and the answer of our ninth question is B, C, D, E, F. Now the 10th question is, Aniket has a bad habit of biting his nails when he feels stressed or anxious. How can Aniket use the idea present in the course to develop a new habit to manage stress and anxiety, replacing the nail biting behavior? So these are the options, and the answer of our 10th question is A and F. Now the 11th question is, Ritu wants to build a no sugar habit but gets tempted every time she walks past her favorite bakery. Which strategy helps her avoid the queue? So these are the option, and the answer of our 11th question is F. Now the 12th question is, Ashraf has been struggling with anxiety and wants to develop a habit that promotes better mental health. What habit can Ashraf cultivate to support his mental well-being? So these are the option, and the answer of our 12th question is D. Now, the 13th question is, Dhruv, a dedicated teacher, wants to instill the importance of habit formation in his students. He believes that developing good habit is crucial for academic and personal success. His student Anamika is struggling with procrastination and time management. Which strategy can Dhruv employ to help Anamika cultivate positive habits? So these are the options, and the answer of our 13th question is B. Now, the 14th question is, Saurabh has a significantly large number of email in his inbox, causing him to feel overwhelmed and anxious. To improve his productivity and mental state, he decided to take action. Which of the following action will positively impact Saurabh? So these are the options, and the answer of our 14th question is C. Now the 15th question is which of the following statement about dopamine is true? So these are the option and the answer of our 15th question is C. Now the 16th question is which among the following statement regarding self-hypnosis is true? So these are the option and the answer of our 16th question is also C. Now the 17th question is Munir wants to build a reading habit but falls asleep every time. What's the best initial habit design? So these are the option and the answer of our 17th question is B. Now the 18th question is Vaishak is a professional who wants to optimize his productivity and achieve his goal effectively. Which of the following scenarios align with the principles that will lead him to success? So these are the option and the answer of our 18th question is C. Now the 19th question is Kanika has noticed some negative patterns in her life and wants to identify her bad habits to make positive changes. Which option can help Kanika recognize her unhealthy habits? So these are the option and the answer of our 19th question is A. Now the 20th question is Yashika is always late for meeting. What is a practical way to build the habit of punctuality? So these are the option and the answer of our 20th question is A. Set a reminder. Now the 21st question is a group of students working on a project together struggle to communicate effectively. They constantly interrupt each other and fail to acknowledge different perspectives. To improve teamwork, they should establish ground rules for respectful communication and take turn presenting their ideas. So true or false? So the answer of our 21st question is A, true. Now the 22nd question is Gautam has a habit of checking his phone excessive throughout the day. This will interfere with his productivity and focus. So these are the option and the answer of our 22nd question is A. Now the 23rd question is Ayush is trying to lose weight and counts the calorie of every food item he eats. One day he ate something that was a caloric surplus and to balance the situation and not repeat his mistake he punished himself by starving for a day. Ayush has a healthy approach to dieting. True or false? So the answer of our 23 question is false. Now the 24th question is the Zeigarnik effect suggests people remember completed tasks more than uncompleted ones. True or false? So the answer of our 24th question is B. Now 25th question is Devu and Anchita are friends who also work together. Devu is a disciplined person who believes that Anchita's action can have no effect on her. Anchita, however, believes that Devu's inclination toward maintaining good habit is useless and constantly make fun of her for following a consistent plan in her life. Devu and Anchita have a healthy relationship. True or false? So the answer of our 25th question is false. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.